Vaishnav.
Hi guys!
Happy Onam.
Happy Onam! Welcome home. This. Obviously, the Sadhya, this is the only right answer. My absolute favorite Onam memory is my childhood because as kids we used to go for collecting flowers, and then at home they used to make this, Kerala style snacks, that is madraseva, chips, mixture, etc. So that is my top one childhood like memory. So firstly, I bought a Kerala sari. That is the usual. Then I bought some grocery, then flowers. Then what did I get? Then I did some shopping for my house. So I got a ceiling fan from GM Modular, and I got it because I really wanted a fan with a remote for some time. Then I got some bulbs from the same brand, that is a GM Global, because some of my lights needed an update. Then what did I get? Yeah, the usual girl stuff, makeup, jewelry, that has to be there. This year I'll be celebrating with my friends, food, some games and lots of payasam. So ये ओणम अपनों के साथ.